Well, hello. Here we are again. Another exciting chat today regarding my spare batteries. Well, as you heard, I might have said in my last video, I was buying some spare batteries for my GoPro. Now, I'm not sure how to pronounce the company, but it's Smatree or something similar, S-M-A-Tree. The issue with cameras, little action cameras, is their battery life. This one's not too bad, it's about 2 hours. I go on longer rides and my battery runs out. So Smatree sent me 3 with a little charger. The charger is tiny, it weighs nothing. So today I'll be riding for a few hours, so I'll test it and see how it goes. Quite cold this morning in Adelaide, about 10 degrees. You know, I watch you know, some motor vloggers or YouTubers who live in the UK, and they're riding in a beautiful, bright, clear, sunny morning, and it's 0. But, you know, it's freezing. And honestly, I'm not sure how they do it. I do get cold, so I've got my beautiful Oxford heated hand grips on. I've got my motorbike thermal on, which you've seen in a previous review from Aldi. I've got a shirt, then a jumper, and then my jacket with the liner in, my leather jacket. And because it's cold, I've also got my balaclava on from Aldi. So hopefully I'll be warm enough. I should be with all of that on. Last night my wife and I went for a hike in Scott Creek Conservation Park, where I did my review on the alpine earplugs. It's a beautiful place. Oh, fantastic. And there's lots and lots of kangaroos, particularly in the evening. So today I think I'll have my coffee in Strathalbyn. So what I typically do on these rides is I'll go to Strathalbyn for a coffee. Then I will wander back through the hills. Not always the same way. I'm hoping my balaclava will block out a bit of the wind noise. When we were hiking last night, my wife almost got run over by a kangaroo. It hopped out of the bush at her. It was very funny and a bit scary. Some of these kangaroos get very big. I need to turn my head hand grips down, they're getting rather hot. Ooh, down to 40%. There is the famous tractor where I did my last review. It's very cold through here. I've turned up my heated hand grips again. If anyone's watching from the UK, you'll probably be laughing your head off thinking 10 degrees is very warm. That was a little Grom. Beautiful bike. 2-stroke 750 Suzuki water bottle. My GoPro battery ran out very quickly today. I think it was only about an hour that it lasted. But I have these, I hope I'm saying it right, Smatree, S-M-A-Tree batteries that I bought online, a pack of 3. So I stopped and put the next battery in. We'll see how long they last. What I'm going to do is just stop somewhere and do another little chat or review and show you these batteries and the charger. This road is one of my favourite roads, so it's the road between Strath and Macclesfield. I'm at Windy Point and no one's here, so I thought I'd take the opportunity. There's a table and show you my 3 Smatree batteries. So what you get are 3 of these and this little charger. What's weird, it's got this covering on it that's just peeling off. Don't know what that is. I've got one of these rechargeable batteries in my GoPro now, and what's great is the battery makes the GoPro makes a beeping noise when it's flat. I can hear it while I'm riding, and I can stop and put one of these in. So for $49 you get 3 rechargeable batteries and this tiny little charger. But yeah, very pleased at the moment. The battery I've got in there has been in there for about an hour and a half and it's still going, so I can't complain about that. One of the issues I've had with my other cameras is that I couldn't put a spare battery in, and it would get frustrating when they would run out in the middle of filming. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot.